This is a Square Smart Space Table 3D drawing built with Square Style and MC Wood. It is easy to build and easy to draw in Google SketchUp. Just follow the steps, and I believe that you can do it too. I will give you this 3D model for free at the end of my video. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos from me. Okay, here we go. And this is the workplace. And this is the toolbar that we use. And you can see that there are so many toolbar. And you can go to adjust it by click on the view toolbar. And then you go to the light tool set. Okay. In your Google SketchUp, you might see this tool, getting start tool. Okay. Just untick and tick on the light tool set, and you will see this. Okay. So now let's get started our model. The first I use the rectangle tool. Okay, you just click on it, click one, and you put the number. So I put 700, 700. Okay, and this is the size of the table. Okay, now 1, 2, click on 2, click 1, 2, right click, make group. Okay, I use rectangle tool again. So I put the number 50, 50. Okay, and this is the size of the square still. Okay, so and then I use push and pull tool, shortcut key letter P, to push up 700, enter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right click, make group. The reason that I make group is easy to copy or apply the material. Okay, so now I just copy from here to here. And then I use the move tool, and then I press Ctrl to copy. Okay, and then I drag from right to left, and I use move tool again. Click one point, press Ctrl. Okay, I use rectangle again. 50, 50. Okay, I use push and pull tool. Here, 1, 2, 3, make group, and use move tool to copy. Control. Okay. So if you want to multiple select, click 1, Control, click 2. Okay. Now I use move tool to move here. Press Control, it will copy. Okay. And I rotate letter Q here. Click 1, click 2, put the angle 90. Okay. So now I use move tool. Okay, you see it. And this is the structure of the table. So I click here, drag from the right to the left. Okay. Right click, make group. Okay. And then I use rectangle again. Click here from here. Use push and pull tool to pull up 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay. It is time to draw the chair. So I use the pencil tool here. You just follow my step, and I believe that you can do it. Again, 1, 2. Okay. Right click, make group. Now use the tape measure tool. T. Click 1. Okay. Shortcut key letter T. Okay. Yeah. Okay. From here to here, so you can see. So use the you can see. So use the rotate rectangle. So here, click 1, 2. Okay. If you use the rectangle, you cannot draw something like this because it is the different angle. So I Control Z to undo. If I use the rectangle, Can see here, because it is the different angle. If you use the pencil, yeah, okay. Can see, okay. But in this case, what you need to do, it's quick and easy. You use the rotate rectangle. Okay, you just click 1 and 2. Okay, and then I use offset tool, shortcut key letter F. I put 30. Okay, this face I delete. Right click, erase, and here use push and pull tool. 30. Put the number 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Use tape measure. Use pencil. Use push and pull tool to pull up. And you can see the number that I put around here. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Just copy it. When I click on the shortcut key, it will pop up here. Okay, when I press M, so it will see pop up on the move tool. Okay, so click on the move tool here and press Ctrl to copy. Multiple selects, just click 1 and press Ctrl, and I press shortcut key letter M to move. You need to know the shortcut key because it speed up your work. Okay. So I need to move this frame still to the top. Okay, so now I press M, letter M. Okay. Multiple select, press Ctrl, and press move tool. Okay. And then what we do next, I just copy 3, 1, 2, 3 to the top. 1. Press Ctrl, 2, 3. Okay. Press letter M. Okay, now it is longer than the height of the table. You use the letter S to scale here. Toolbar. Okay. Scale tool. Okay. And then here I want to hide, so press 1, Control, press 2, make group and hide. Okay, it is easy to work. We use the rectangle. Okay, rotate rectangle. 1, 2. Push and pull tool. To push up 30. Double click, make group. Okay, now I unhide the table, so you can see that this chair is still higher than the table, so you cannot put in the table. Okay, so now what I need to do, I just click here, and then I use move tool. Okay, and then this one I need to scale it again. Just click 1, Control, click 2, 3, and press letter A. Okay, here, high again. Okay, in this case I use the pencil to draw the shape of the wood. Okay, yeah, and then I use push tool, push up 30, enter. I click 1, 2, 3, right click, make group. And here I use the rotate rectangle. Just click 1, sorry, click 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I pull up 20. Okay, make group again. 20. Okay. Okay. Or you don't want to see this line, just ungroup here, explode. Okay, and then you use the erase tool, shortcut key, letter E. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Make group. Okay, now what we need to do next? I just to type myself to drag up 70. Okay, and here the 20. I use rectangle tool. Letter P to push 20. Okay, make groove and use move tool to move. Okay, here, and then just click Control to multiple select. Use move tool and press Control to copy. Okay, and then we rotate and we press letter Q. Click 1, 2, and put the angle 90. Hit enter. Okay. Now this one I just type myself again to drag up 70, and then I use move tool to move. Because I want to know the height here, it's easy to click the snap. Okay. To delete this all guideline, go to edit, delete guideline. Okay, delete guide here. Okay, unhide all. Okay, then you hide. Or you use shortcut key. For me, I use shortcut key letter U to unhide and letter H to hide. Okay, hide and unhide. And it is really important in drawing 3D. And you can go to adjust by yourself. Okay, you go to the window, different, and you go to shortcut key, and then you tap hide. You can see that hide, and then here you just shortcut key what you want. For me, I use the letter A. Okay, and then assign. Okay, and then it will something like this: high and high. Okay, this one I want to high. I choose letter A. Okay. Okay, now I need to group the steel structure. Okay, just click drag from the right to the left here, and I press Control. Okay, right click, make group. Okay, here, make group. So when I apply the material, I press letter B. Okay, I use black. Okay, you can see that it's easy. Boot. Okay, or you can go to edit here. 600. Okay, it's good looking. Make groove. Okay, and high. And now I apply the material. Letter B. You just use pencil to pick up the material. Okay, here and here. Because this material I already applied, so then I just use pencil to pick the material from the chair. Okay. Now copy, press letter M, press Control. Okay, rotate, press Q, 1, 2, and click 90. Okay, just press Control, press letter M, press Control again here, and then I rotate, press Q, 180 degree. Okay, finish. Thank you, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get video from my channel.